Hello everybody, I'm playing, today we are playing Animal Hospital or something, and sorry, I forgot to film, we're on shift 2 already. No! Also, I'm new at this. Hey, what? I'm here for my, okay. Okay, what room, what room? What the? What the? What the heck? I saw something. I saw something. Okay, what room is she in? Okay, what do you need? Oh,
You don't need this to see through them.
okay, fine.
So good we saw that dinner.
Is, the patient okay? Your health is important to us. Okay, we're walking out. Hey, don't leave me here! Michael! Okay, this guy. What? No, 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 no. Close, close, close. He did that. I'm sorry if that was a mistake. I need to get my sanity. Wait, no. Oh, take a bit of coffee. I'll have a Joe. And wait, okay, how do I do this? I'll have a cup of Joe. How do you do that? Okay. How do I make coffee? I'll see if any patients. Oh, this person. They look weird. The How do I make coffee? Oh, this person. Oh, take DNA. I'll get this one. How do I make coffee? How do I make coffee? How do I make coffee? What the shop? How many? pressing button. Wait, wait, it's like reloading. Okay. Get me my buffet. Okay. What the?
Hello?
There's like something telling me to like go somewhere.
Yeah.
Gun? Where's the gun?
Yeah.
Where's the gun? No, I'm gonna save up my money. Okay. I think someone said to be in room 4. So, no, they're not. Sorry. Someone said sorry.
Yeah. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. I'm busy.
Oh, we're in room 6! So, where's 6? This is 6. Well, is this like, what room is this? Oh, it's an X-ray. Come on, buddy. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna open the door. Cause, I don't want anybody. Okay, so what do I do? Again. Call me Barker as Faden. Oh, hell no. What? What? I can't remember. I wasn't watching. I'm gonna leave that to another doctor. At least I was, the number 1 for shift 2. I'm sorry. I'm leaving that to another doctor. Oh, where am I going? I'm gonna stick to this. No. There are stories about. Hey. There. I got room 4. Someone go to room 6. Not me. Not me. No, now me. Why was I saying now me? I'm not going. How many people is in here? Hello, my name is Kato. Fujito. I am here for my appointment. Okay, I'm okay, what room is he in? Thanks, I will be in room 2. Okay. Hopefully room 2 is not that crazy. Okay, so room 2. I'll open the door for them. What? Are the mitts real? Oh, hell no. What mitts? So we'll go to room 6. No more patients, so let's go. What if there's someone that kills them? Not me. Okay, what did I need? Oh, this. What? Okay. Okay, bandage. Bandage. You know what? They got it. You got it. Yippee. Okay, let's see if there's any more patients. I'm a doctor now. This is my whole life. Okay, any more patients? How have you still not went? That's my question. Where's Stalker? He was weird, but like, he was cool, I guess. Boom, 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 boom. I wonder how many shifts there is. Oh no, we have more patients. Oh wait, no, they're probably leaving. Okay, so it's time to just sit down and relax. Oh no, the doctor is arriving. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, is it that thing? Is it that thing where he's gonna run in and he's gonna say, people died, you gotta save them, blah blah blah. Some patients may seem unstable, make sure to use the photo and camera, stay alert. Okay, I'll unlock the taser. Use it wisely. Okay, so yay! Who was the best patient? No, the shop is open. Where's the gun? Where's the blicky? Where's the blicky? No, I'll probably just save it for like a character. I'm having a cup of Joe. Okay, I'm gonna get coffee because I need to build my sanity. No. Okay. Do 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 do. 6, 7. Okay, I have lots of sanity. I know room 8 is like the surgery room, I think. Because I saw it off the goobers. Oh, it's Rachu! Rachu! I like this guy. He's cool. Rachu! 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 It's cool. Okay, we'll do Rachu. I love Rachu. I like Rachu. I like Rachu. Okay, medicine. You know what? You got that, buddy. You got that. We all do. Rachu cool. My name is Ron. Ever wonder why they keep hiring new people? Never mind. I think that's what he said. I don't know. It's Ron. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I need to charge this. I need to charge my phone. Okay. I got room 5. Okay, I'll do that. Hey! No! 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 You was not stealing my You was not stealing my big bag. Yay, Rachu! No, wait, no, he's gone. Well, he'll come back. I just know it. Okay, Ron's here. Ayo, why does he Loki have the same hair as my avatar? Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yes. Ooh. 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 Sorry, that was so weird. What does blood need? Okay, I'll get that. Bruh, what? Bruh. You got that, buddy. You got that. Okay. I might need a cup of Joe. My sanity's nearly 6-7. 6-7. 6-7. 6-7. 6-7. Oh man, but no man. Where is I go? Okay, come on. We gotta get our sanity up too. 6-7. Come on, go low, go lower. Bro, what? 6-7. 6-7. It has 6-7. 6-7. 6-7. 6-7. 6-7. Middle-aged kid, by the way. Six, seven. Sorry. But you can't lie. 6-7. It wasn't for me. My sanity is 6-7. My sanity is 6-7. 6-7. Navini Nasuna, Asora 6-7. Avini Nasora, Asora 6-7. On cameras, this guy has creepy eyes. Wait, what? Who? Oh shoot, anomaly. And anomaly. I'm checking cameras. I'm camps. Navini Asora 6-7. Hold on, let me check. Navini Asora 6-7.
Ready? No,
Yeah, they're good. Hold up. Why did you kill them? Wait, Barney! Barney! Barney. Barney. For Barney. What? Yes, Barnaby. Yes, Barney. When is Ratu here? Six, seven. If it reaches 0, you die. Like my Riz. What the? I have no aura. Like you. What was that Riz? We're stuck.